SQL revolves around several key concepts that are essential to understanding its capabilities. Tables. Data in a relational database is organized into tables which consist of rows and columns. Each row represents a record, while columns represent attributes or fields. Queries. SQL allows us to perform queries, which are instructions to retrieve specific data from the database. The most common query is the select statement. Joins. To combine data from multiple tables, SQL employs join operations. This enables us to access related information from different parts of the database. Filters. The where clause in SQL lets us filter data based on specific conditions, enabling us to extract only the information we need. Aggregations. SQL provides functions like sum, count, average, min, and max, which allow us to perform calculations on groups of data, providing insights into the data's overall characteristics. Understanding these fundamental concepts will pave the way for leveraging SQL to interact with the databases efficiently